Hello everyone and welcome back to Matchbox Memories. Today we're going to have a look at these Tomica vehicles that I got from Japan. My aunt in Japan recently gifted me these 9 vehicles which I'm very excited to unbox and have a look at with you guys. So without any further ado, let's just go through these, open them up and look at them. First of all, we're going to have a look at this Acura Integra new to 2024. So give me a second while I open the packaging up and we will review it. All right, the Acura Integra, let's have a look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. So these vehicles are quite expensive in Canada. Getting a regular mainline Tomica vehicle in Canada ranges from $7 to $20 depending on the vehicle. And that's if you buy it online on a website like Tokyo Station. If you are in the US, this would be a good time to use a Canadian website to buy these vehicles. Shipping is usually free if you spend over $100, and with the strong US dollars you might get a deal. They might be cheaper than the US right now. So February 2025, have a look at tokyostation.ca for Tomica vehicles. So anyways, this one, let's have a look. Fully detailed as all Tomica vehicles are. Front detailed, back detailed, done to scale, which is beautiful. Left-hand drive in this case. Typical plastic base. This one's made in Vietnam. Acura Integra scale is 1/64, and it's just really nice. So if you buy these from a website, a Canadian website that sells diecast, like I said, they're between $6 and $19, $20. And if you buy them at a store, there's only very few stores that actually sell these Toyota or these Tomica vehicles, and they can be between $20 and $30 sometimes. Anyways, second car up is this Toyota Century. Another favorite of mine. I think that Matchbox is doing this in its moving parts line. I haven't seen it yet, but I think it's this vehicle here. So anyways, let's open this one up as well and have a look at it. So usually, just in case you guys aren't familiar with Tomica, they're in this sort of box, which is covered with this cellophane cover. Then you get the box, and the vehicle is wrapped in this plastic bag, which you take out, so it's very well protected. So you don't get some of the scuffing you find on some of the Matchbox and Hot Wheels cars. And look at this. This car is absolutely gorgeous. This is the Toyota Century, and it is fabulous. Great set of wheels. Look at that. Fully detailed front. Love this vehicle. So nice. Black interior, gray trim, detailed back and front. Yeah, just an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. Can't go wrong with that, can you? Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. I have to say, these Tomica wheels are a little thin, but not bad. Yeah, definitely a little too thin for me. And they actually, you can get away with it a little bit with the cars, but when they start putting these thin wheels on some of the SUVs, it does seem a bit off. So anyways, this is a fantastic car. It looks really good. I personally love it. I'm going to display this one. And if you don't have this one in your collection, guys, this is one you must get your hands on. All right, I'm going to try and keep this video fairly short. So next up is this Nissan Serena. Not a vehicle that I'm necessarily familiar with. I'm not sure if it's got another name in North America. But there it is. It is also new for 2024. It's number 94 in the Tomica series, Takara Tomy. And there you go. So let's open this one up and have a look at it. All right, the Nissan Sentra. Let's have a look at this. Sorry, what am I saying? Nissan Serena. Lights are not filled in this one. brake lights, but it's a fully detailed front, black interior, no moving parts on this particular vehicle. Decent set of wheels, but a little thin, but not too bad. Yeah, it does look a little thin, doesn't it? The wheels, look at that. But still, very, very nice car. Or minivan in this case. And this blue is absolutely gorgeous. Sort of a metallic, deep blue. Black interior. Look at the detailing at the top there. Very, very nice. All right, next vehicle up. Let's have a look at this Mini. So this, I think, when it's this black case here, I think it's their premium line. So I think this one might have rubber tires on it. This one is a Tomica. Oh, it is a premium. There you go. Tomica Premium Morris Mini, number 12. Scale is 1:50. So not quite 1/64 scale. There's the price on it in yen. And there's the box. So let's open this up and have a look at it. As you guys know, I love my Minis. I've got quite a collection of Minis in the Matchbox and Hot Wheels line. This is my first Tomica Mini, and this is fabulous. Look at that. Just gorgeous. It is a bit big because the scale is a bit off. Well, here it says scale 1:50. On the box here, what did it say? I thought it had some different scale on it. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh no, scale 1:50. So there it is. Just what a gorgeous car. Beautiful color with the white top here. White roof. Looks like a black interior. Right hand drive. Look at that. Look at the detailing. Just beautiful. Rubber tires. Actually no, plastic tires, interestingly enough. Just more detail. Just a gorgeous vehicle. Look at that. That's going to look absolutely gorgeous with the rest of the Minis in my collection. There it is. Alright, next vehicle up is this Honda Civic Type R race control car in yellow. It's number 120 in the Tomica series. I'm going to open it up and we will have a quick look at it. Just in case you guys didn't know, these all do have shock absorbers. Look at that. Up and down. Okay, what do we got here? We got the Tomica Honda Civic Type R made in Vietnam race control livery. Good set of tires. Look at that. That looks great, doesn't it? Beautiful. Look at the detailing on that. Absolutely fully detailed. Front, top, sides, and back. Beautiful vehicle. Good weight to it. The plastic that Tomica uses is definitely of higher quality than some of the plastics that Matchbox and Hot Wheels uses as bases on their vehicles. That's just a beautiful car. Look at that. Really, really nice. All right, last vehicle up, and then we will finish off by looking at some of my favorite Tomica vehicles that I have in my collection. So last vehicle up here is a Toyota Crown owner driver taxi. And it is also new for 2024. It's number 84 in their lineup. And that's a typical box, so let's open it up and have a look at it. All right, the Toyota Crown taxi. Look at this. So quite a poor job of detailing the lights there. It's this like weird gray color. Back's really nice. And then I love the little taxi sign on top. Toyota Crown, made in Vietnam. Scale is 1:66. It's a little bit off the 1/64 scale, but still nice vehicle. I like the rims on these, but I think these tires are too thin. Look at that. Just looks weird when you see it with such thin tires. That is. Anyways, so let's have a look at the vehicles we opened today. All right, so those are the 6 vehicles we opened today. Some absolute beauties there, especially this Toyota Century here is fantastic, as is the Mini and this Honda Civic. The others are really nice as well. Not too happy with the wheels on this one, but other than that, the rest of the vehicles are quite nice. And then I just want to quickly show you some of my favorite Tomica vehicles that I have in my collection. All right, so let's start off with this Toyota Land Cruiser made in Vietnam. This one might be my absolute favorite. Also given to me by my aunt in Japan. The only issue with this particular vehicle that I have, once again, is these really skinny wheels. They need to be at least twice as thick as they are on this particular vehicle. But other than that, the design of this vehicle is absolutely spot on. Beautiful. The Acura NSX-R, I've had in my collection for a while. This is another of my absolute favorite Tomica vehicles. Found this at a local charity store. Pretty lucky to find this in this condition. It's been in my collection for 5-6 years. Another Lexus RCF that I recently got from my aunt in Japan. I drive a Lexus IS 250 all-wheel drive, so it looks very, very similar to my car. And the grill's different, obviously, but still, just a gorgeous car. I love having this in my collection. I think it's beautiful. I just got this from Japan. This one's got moving parts. I think the door is open. It's also a Land Cruiser made in Vietnam. I'm not sure what JAF stands for, but just gorgeous, good looking vehicle. Once again, tires too thin, but yeah, twice as thick would be nice. Toyota Crown Athlete in this hot pink. I love this car. I have this one displayed. I think it stands out. Really, really nice. Once again, wheels a little too thin. And then this one just definitely isn't one of my favorites, but I had it out, so I thought I'd show you guys. Toyota Camry, but still not a bad looking car. Really nice. Alright guys, that's it. Short video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Something different from the Matchbox videos that I usually bring. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. And don't forget to hit the like button on YouTube. I hope you have a fabulous month of February, and I promise to bring you more videos in the near future.